Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can apply 2 or more effect on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. So when you are in TikTok camera, you have this option 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 3 minutes. If you want to apply 2 filter within 15 seconds, choose 15 seconds. If you want to apply more filter in a video, you can choose 60 seconds. Okay, let me go with 60 seconds. Then this is the effect gallery. Here you go and you will find effects. Different categories are here to choose from. Okay, so choose the effect you want. Suppose I want to apply this effect. Tap on it, select the filter, then you have to press and hold the record button. Okay, this is the progress over here. When you are done, just leave the camera button. Okay, now if you hit this one, video is done. If you want to apply second filter, then again you have to go here, effects, choose the second effect you want to apply. Suppose I want to apply this one, select it, press and hold the record button again. Okay, as you can see, already 2 filters are there. If you want to apply more than 2, again go there, select the effect you want. Suppose I want this one, again press and hold the record button. Likewise, and when you are done, you can hit this one. Hit next, and you are ready to share it to your TikTok. As you can see, I applied 3 effects and all the 3 effects are here. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can apply 2 or more effects on TikTok. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.